Date apple cake. A really nice cake and easy to make. So first of all, what we did in a bowl of food processor, we placed the toasted almonds, sugar, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, ground coriander, freshly grated nutmeg, and we process until it gave us a mixture that looks like sand. Then we added the eggs, we added the chopped dates, we added the olive oil, and we process until it gave us a mixture that looks like a paste. We transferred that mixture into a bowl. We sifted the flour over that paste mixture, mixed it very well, making sure all the flour was nicely incorporated, and then we added the chopped Granny Smith apples. We mixed the whole thing really good, and then we placed it in the prepared cake pan that we lined with parchment paper, and we coated with some oil. We pressed the whole mixture by wet hands, making sure everything was nicely even distributed. We baked it in the oven 350 degrees for 60 minutes. And then we let it cool in the cake pan completely, and then we flipped it over a serving platter, and we designed it with some powdered sugar and garnished it with some dates, and it was ready for us to be served.